How to log into Nationwide Building Society online banking. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Nationwide Login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one. Log into online banking. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Nationwide. Now over here, you will find this option of login. Click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option of login to internet bank. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. Firstly, type in your customer number. In the case you have forgotten your customer number, click on this option and recover it. Likewise, type in your date of birth. After you fill this, if you want to remember your shared information, click on the option of Remember Me and then click on Continue. Just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into Nationwide Building Society online banking. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Register and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.